Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how quickly you can use your JBL Link music speaker as a Bluetooth speaker. So to do this, first of all, in our Google Home application we have to select our speaker. Then we have to tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner. And right now we have to go for the audio from the device features. Next, go for the paired Bluetooth devices, and right here we have to go for the enable pairing mode. As you can see right now, I can grab the second device, for example this one. There we go, and I can simply open the Bluetooth settings. I can go to the pair new device. Now just take a look for available devices. And as you can see, the speaker appears right here. So when I click on it once, I have to accept the pairing. As you can hear, and as you can see, right now we are connected by the Bluetooth. So let me show you. Right now I can play for example, this one. And as you can hear, this sound comes from our JBL Link music. So yeah, that's how you can do this, and hope you like it.